Oh no! I accidentally threw away Dad's paycheck in the trash! Look at that envelope. Garbage collection is arriving in less than 20 minutes.
The big garbage truck is already coming right down our street.
My heart is pounding so fast! Can I find the envelope before it is gone forever? Ben, please help me clean the kitchen before we eat our dinner.
Sure thing, Dad. I can clear all these old papers off the table right now.
Thank you so much, Ben. You are always such a helpful boy around the house.
I will pick up all these old receipts and throw them straight into the bin. Let us toss all these unwanted papers into the kitchen trash can right away. Oops! Down into the garbage bin goes all this messy paper waste.
All done. This big trash bag is completely full and ready to go outside.
I am taking this heavy garbage bag straight out to the big outdoor bin now.
Down into the big outdoor bin it goes. The kitchen table looks so clean now.
Great job! Now I can go back inside and wash my hands for dinner.
Kitchen cleaning complete. Everything is tidy and ready for our family meal tonight.
Where on earth did I put my monthly paycheck? I need it right now.
It was sitting right here on this wooden table just a few minutes ago.
What is wrong, dear? Are you looking for something important before dinner?
Yes, my paycheck envelope is missing. I left it right here beside my coffee cup.
Daddy lost his special paper. Is it under the big round dining table?
Everyone look carefully around the chairs and floor. That envelope must be nearby.
Wait a second. I gathered all the papers on that table and threw them away. Oh my goodness. The paycheck envelope was inside that pile of garbage I collected. Oh no. The trash truck always comes down our street at exactly 5 o'clock.
I worked so hard for that paycheck. We really need that money for our bills.
I made a terrible mistake. I tossed Dad's hard-earned money into the garbage. Dad, I am so sorry. I think I accidentally threw your paycheck into the trash.
You threw it away? Ben, are you sure it was in that paper pile?
Oh dear. If it is in the trash bag, we have to get it out immediately.
Ben threw the money in the trash? Is the money dirty now, Mommy?
Listen, that loud motor sound means the city garbage truck is arriving right now.
Look out the window! The big green truck is already stopping at our neighbor's house.
We only have a few minutes. We must get outside and stop that truck now.
Hurry up, Ben. Run to the curb and check the big outdoor green bin right away.
The trash collectors are working fast. They will reach our driveway in just a few moments.
I am at the bin. I am going to open the heavy lid right now.
Oh, wow! There are 3 identical black trash bags inside this outdoor bin.
Which bag did you bring out, Ben?
We need to open the right one quickly.
I cannot remember which bag is mine. They all look exactly the same from above.
Here, take these yellow rubber gloves. Do not dig through trash with bare hands.
Thanks, Mom. I am putting on the gloves. I am going to find that envelope.
Let us untie this first bag. Be careful and check every single piece of paper inside. This bag only has smelly food containers and fruit peels. Not the right bag.
The truck is so close now. It is dumping the bins just 2 houses away from us.
You can do it, Ben. Find Daddy's special paper before the giant truck comes.
Here comes the second bag. Ben, untie this knot as fast as you possibly can.
I am opening the second bag. There are lots of old newspapers and magazines in here.
Old store circulars, school worksheets, paper towels. But no paycheck envelope here either. Oh no, time is running out. That means the paycheck must be in the very last bag.
Look! The trash collector is grabbing our neighbor's bin right now. We are next!
I am pulling out the third bag. This has to be the kitchen garbage I threw away.
I will not give up. I am going to fix my mistake right here and now.
I opened the third bag. Oh, look at all these kitchen paper scraps scattered inside.
Digging through the papers, vegetable peels, old receipts, folded flyers. Oh, come on, where is it?
The garbage collector is walking toward our driveway bin right this very second.
Excuse me. Please wait just 1 minute. We lost an important document in our trash.
What is going on, sir? I have a strict pickup schedule to keep today.
My son accidentally threw away his father's paycheck. Please give us just 30 seconds.
Okay, I will give you 1 minute. But you have to find it really fast, kiddo.
Thank you, sir. I am checking the last bundle of papers at the bottom of the bag.
Wait. I see something white and rectangular buried under this blue paper napkin.
I found it. I found Dad's paycheck envelope. It is completely safe and dry. Look, Dad, I found it. Here is your paycheck. It was right at the bottom.
You actually found it! Oh, thank goodness. You are a brilliant hero, Ben.
Here is your money, Dad. I am so relieved and happy that it is safe. The paycheck is in perfect condition. Not a single scratch or tear on it anywhere.
I am so proud of you, Ben. You stayed calm, worked hard, and fixed your mistake.
Great job finding that envelope, young man. Now I will take your garbage away.
Let us clean up all this search trash and hand the outdoor bin to the collector.
Down into the crusher it goes. That envelope almost got crushed forever in there. Goodbye, garbage truck. Thank you for waiting for us to save our important paycheck.
Washing my hands super clean with soap and hot water after digging through the trash.
This dinner tastes so wonderful. Everything in our kitchen feels peaceful and happy again.
I am putting my paycheck straight into my wallet so it never gets lost again.
Ben, thank you for being honest right away when you realized what happened with the trash. I learned a big lesson today, Dad. Honesty and double-checking everything are super important.
From now on, all important papers go right here on this wall pinboard immediately. Always double check before throwing things away. Family and responsibility always come first in our house.